Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to the s dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. Next we have u multiplied by v, and I will put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And we have v multiplied by du. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we need to put the value cone here. So number 1, I will put this one cone here. Negative number 1, I will put this one cone here. This one we put number 1 cone here and negative number 1 cone here. So we calculate about this one. So we have 2 over e. This is the end. Thank you for watching.